Hello kids, let's learn the colors. We have violet color, light green color, sky blue color, yellow color, purple color, brown color, black color, red color, orange color, sky blue color and pink color. Let's draw 2D shapes. Octagon, Pentagon, Star, Square, Triangle, Oval shape. Let's color these 2D shapes. Blue color, octagon, orange color, pentagon, red color, star, pink color, square, light green color, triangle, yellow color, oval shape. Let's revise these shapes. Dark blue color, octagon, orange color, pentagon, red color, star, pink color, square, light green color, triangle, yellow color, oval shape. Hope you have done the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.